Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, where today we're reviewing a starry Galaxy Projector. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a starry Galaxy Projector from the company GalaxyAlfa. And this is actually the GalaxyAlfa 1 projector. And let me just tell you guys that this projector, man, when we test this out, you guys will see all the different modes and different effects we can actually configure with this starry Galaxy Projector. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and if you have anybody who may be interested in the starry night, Galaxy Projector, make sure you share this video out to them so they can get more details and specifications about this particular model. And then lastly, if you guys want to get more parameters, specifications, or details about this starry projector, product information will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you actually want to buy this exact model. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging is really interesting. It's really colorful. It looks really nice and presentable. There's a lot of text on the side, which what I'm going to do is move over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. On the top of the box, it just says transform your home instantly, and we have a visual representation of the starry night projector. And basically on the sides of the box, it's the same thing. It just says the same thing over and over. So there's not really a lot of specifications or details on the side of the box. So we're just gonna proceed with the unboxing of this starry night projector. So I'm gonna open it up just like so. Pull back the flaps, and we're instantly greeted with its user manual. We also get included with a USB Type-A to micro USB cable to give power to this starry night projector. And on the sides, this is actually our tripod legs for the starry night projector, and I believe we should have 4 of these. So we have 2 on that side and 2 on this other side, just like so. And this is what we need to use to attach onto the bottom of the base to lift up this Galaxy projector, because it's supposed to look like a flying saucer, which is really cool. Let me pull out the Galaxy Projector, and it looks like that is the last remaining thing in the packaging. So the overall construction is made out of plastic, but it's pretty durable, and it's gonna last for a pretty decent amount of time, in my opinion. It doesn't seem like it's something that's gonna, get damaged easily. And on the bottom, you guys can see we have our speakers for it when we play music and stuff through this starry projector. And this is where we need to attach the tripod legs, which I'll show you guys in the demo part of the video. And on this side, we have our USB port, our DC port, or our micro USB port to actually plug in to supply power to this starry night projector. And we also have our on and off. Is that a button? Yes, it is. So it's actually a button, it looks like. Very interesting. And then on the top of the starry night projector, we have our laser on this side. And then you guys can see we have all different buttons: music, playing pause, forward and backwards. We got LED, the moon, on and off, and also a microphone. What we need to do now is actually proceed to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. The first thing that we're going to do is actually attach the tripod legs onto this starry Galaxy projector. So we're going to flip it onto the back side, and make sure you put this in the right way. So we're going to face it outwards. Now our legs are attached onto this starry Galaxy projector. You guys can see it kind of just rests on top of the tripod legs. And what we need to do now is actually take our DC or our micro USB cable to USB-A cable, untie it, plug it in just like that. And now we take this other end and plug it into our power strip, or if you have a brick, you can actually plug it into the brick. And you guys can see the projector. Oh, it looks like it's in Bluetooth mode. So before we actually proceed with this demo, what I need to do is the camera that I'm currently shooting with right now, I need to actually face it up so you guys can actually see what I'm doing, but I'll still have this secondary camera angle so I can show you guys all the different controls and navigation things that I'm doing on the Starry Galaxy Projector itself. Let's actually take a look at the different LEDs first, and then after we'll move over to the application. So this is the LED button that I just turned on, and you guys can see, wow, it gives off a really nice red effect. And if I click on the LED button again, you guys can see this one's kind of like a green nebula. It looks really nice though. We got like a white nebula and a blue nebula that has like some streaks going across it. What was that? I don't know if you guys saw it. That was like a faint little line that just went across. Very interesting. But it looks like this one's actually cycling through all the different colors right now. So we went from blue, and now we're going into the reds, and now I believe it's going into the greens. Wow. Looks really nice though. And if I click LED again, it looks like this one's a mix between the red and green. We also got, it looks like this one is with no LED light on. So you can actually turn off the LED light completely. And if I click it again, we've got blue, and it just cycles through again. Really cool though. If I click on this button right here, the one with the moon on it right here, this should, I believe, should turn off the moon. There we go. So you guys can see the moon is currently gone. Like there's no more moon. So you can toggle on and off the moon. And then we also have this mic button, and I'm guessing this is the music syncing button. So I'm gonna turn it on. And it is. Okay. Clap, clap. And now let me actually switch it to Bluetooth mode. So if I click on this music button right here.
Music mode.
Okay, music mode.
Bluetooth mode.
There we go, Bluetooth mode. And now if I go into my phone, I can actually connect to this Starry Night projector. So I'm currently connected to the speakers of this Bluetooth projector. And I can increase the volume, I'm pretty sure. There we go, max volume. Okay, so now I have my lights completely off, and now you guys can see the full-fledged effect that this Starry Night projector is giving off. So now let's actually go into the app and customize all the different things we can do with this Starry Night projector. So what we can do is decrease the brightness. So you guys can see now the light is becoming non-existent. And it actually looks like it's only decreasing the LED light, but the laser's still on and the moon is still on. So let me actually increase that back up to 100%. This volume button, I'm not exactly sure what that is. That could be for music capabilities, which we'll test out later on. We also got a mic that we can also drag and decrease. And I don't know what this is. Okay. I don't know if you guys see that. It's moving now. So this can actually cause the motion to actually be activated. So if you wanted to, you can speed it up or slow it down or have it completely off. Wow. That really does look nice though. Let's go into the color menu. So, as you guys can see, yeah, you can pick virtually any color with this Starry Night projector. Look at that. Greens, reds, oranges, reds, greens, blue, light blues, dark red, magenta, hot pink. You can pick virtually any color. And the good thing is I can go in and actually select these presets. So like right now we have red, we got green, we got blue, we got white, we got like a mixture between a bunch of colors. And this one's like a pink and blue. And we also got a green and blue. Or if I wanted to, I could set my own color up. Look at that. I'm just cycling through all various different colors right now. And you can customize these to your liking exactly the way you want it. Next up, let's actually take a look at the music synchronizing. I think, oh, okay, so these are all the different sound effects we already tested out. So we've already actually tested these out. We tested all of these out before. So you can actually control those with the application as well. Very interesting. All right, let's go out. What's this? Okay, so it looks like these are some effects you can actually do with this Starry Night projector. Let's click on the moon one. Okay, so that turns on and off the moon. We have this button next to it. What is this? Okay, so that turns off the laser. So you guys can see it turns off the green laser. So if you wanted it, you can turn it on and off, or you can keep it on depending on what you want. But yeah, that looks really cool though. We got the microphone. So this is the music synchronizing feature. And you guys can see, wow, is that intense? Man, that is really intense. And let's go to the next mode. And this one, I'm not even sure what just happened. Let's see. Let's go to the next mode. And this one actually turns off the LED lights, and now it's just the laser and the moon. We have like a rainbow wheel. Let's see what this is. So I guess this is going to cycle through all the different colors and kind of just give it like a full-on rainbow effect and give you a wide variety of all the different colors you can actually do with this Starry Night projector. And you guys can see, man, there's a lot of different colors that this Starry Night projector can produce. We have like it looks like a lollipop. That's the only way I can really explain it. Wow. So I guess this kind of blends in a bunch of colors together. So we got red and green, and I'm guessing it might switch to a different color. Yep, it is. Wow. Look at that, you guys. Looks really epic. Especially imagine like if you had this in your room. Like how it, like the effects it's gonna give off, the vibes, the overall feeling, it can really change the whole atmosphere. With something like this can really just change the whole appearance of your room without you having to like buy a bunch of decorations or anything like that, which is really impressive. Wow. And you guys can see, wow, green and white. Wow, that looks real nice. Let's just see one more and then we'll proceed to the next effect. Oh, wow, blue and white. Man, so I'm guessing there was a bunch of different transitions and modes that particular mode can actually go to. But yeah, really nice. And then the last mode we have is this one right here. I'm not even sure what that just did. And then we also have, let's see. So we also have a timer. So if you wanted to, you can actually set a timer with this Starry Night projector. So you guys can turn it on and off at any given moment, have it turn on and off automatically, or have it turn on and off, daily or maybe every Mondays. You can do so with this timer functionality, but that's pretty self-explanatory. You can go in, click it, and loop it, turn it on and off, even select an audio, which is really, really nice. And yeah, wow, interesting. But I think you guys kind of get the point now. And right now, what we're gonna do is move over to the last thoughts and remarks and end off this video. So one of my final opinions and remarks about this GalaxyAlfa 1 Galaxy Projector. Well, it's doing a fantastic job. You guys can see it is full of amazing features. I love how you can still do everything without the application, but with the application, that is where you get all the sorts of different things you can do with this Starry Night projector. And there's just so many different effects that this Starry Night Galaxy Projector has to offer, and I really love the overall design of it. It looks like a UFO. Look at that. It looks really nice though, honestly. I'm really impressed with all the features it was able to bring to the table, and I tested out everything. Some of the features maybe I personally wouldn't use, but it's nice to see that they did include them for those who may be interested. But with that being said, we are gonna conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and if you know anybody who may be interested in a Galaxy Projector, make sure you share this video out to them so they can get more details, specifications, and parameters about this particular model that we reviewed today. Also, if you're a business owner or a company wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you're somebody who needs assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, get more details about it, or if you're interested in buying this exact model that we reviewed today, the product links, specifications, details will be down below in the description for those who are needing that kind of information or those who are actually interested in buying this Starry Galaxy Projector. Thank you guys all for watching this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. I know I did making this video, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.